Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well and you all are fine. In today's video, we are going to draw a crown for all the prince and princess watching my videos. Let's start the video. To draw a crown, first I am going to draw a vertical line. At the end of the vertical line, I am going to draw a horizontal line. Draw another vertical line on the other end of the horizontal line. Now draw some curvy shapes to give it a sleek look. Draw circles. Draw two parallel lines on the bottom of our crown. Draw three diamond shapes between the crown area to give it a nice and good design. Now it's time to color it. I'm going to color it with the green color first to give it a ruby look. In the diamonds and the circles, you can color it as your choice. At the bottom of the crown, I am using red color, and in the crown area, I am using a yellow color. Do you know what is the use of crown? Crown is used to show that he or she is from the royal family. Like Queen Elizabeth used to wear crown, and many kings and queens are used to wear crown. Some princes also used to wear crowns. Crown are the main and an important part of the royal family's costume. Our crown is almost ready. You can color it with your own choice. I'm using green, yellow, red and orange color. Hope you find it very easy and this video helps you to draw crown easily. Keep supporting.